Hey guys, I'm going to open this box from Artefex for some new paintings that I'm going to be doing. So while I take these out, I'm going to show you some of the panels that I like to work on. Some big panels, so move this around, take these out of the box. These are always super well packed. We got a little hat. Toss the box. Let me show you some of the panels I got. Everything's already boxed up. This one out. And so, I like to work on a lot of sizes. I have a good amount of sizes here to work on. Some of these. I love these folio panels for a lot of the sketches that I do. So my eyes and other things. And on this big one, I'm going to go work on a new self-portrait. Thank you. Artefex, I wanted to thank you for sending me special panels and putting my name on the back. Thank you guys.